What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income rather than working 40 hours a week for somebody else that you don't really like. And that's what my channel is about, finding you ways to make that happen so that you can get free and live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe and follow my channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. What's up, you guys? What are we talking about today? We are talking about another Jeff Lerner product. He is the creator of the Entre Institute, and this product is called the Success Path Masterclass. You may have seen advertisements for it on YouTube under successpathfasttrack.com, and the Success Path Masterclass is talking more about lead generation or renting digital assets, as he calls it. So renting digital assets or lead generation is the same thing as local marketing. It's building a simple website for a local company such as San Diego Roofers. And every time a potential customer or lead visits this website searching for a roofer, you sell that lead to a small business roofing company. So they are basically paying you to find them potential customers. This is a very legit business model that has been around for a long time now, where you are actually helping small businesses to find more customers so that they can make more money. The only part about this business model that I don't personally like is that in order to find these small businesses and get them to trust you, you have to spend tons and tons of time cold calling and cold emailing business owners. Business owners are not usually a super big fan of being called and emailed randomly by marketers. Like, they just don't have time for that. So you're gonna get rejected hundreds and hundreds of times before you actually find somebody who wants your services. Then once you do, they are your client. So you have to make sure that you continuously keep them happy. This is not a big deal for some people, but for me, customer service and dealing with business owners and clients on a daily basis is a deal breaker, which is why I chose affiliate marketing. You don't have to deal with customers or refunds or customer service or people really ever. You just get to be behind the scenes and do your own thing. I will link my 2 favorite courses in the description below or up here above somewhere. All right, so the Success Path Masterclass, who was it created by and can you trust them? Jeff Lerner is an online marketer that has been around for a while, and he has a ton of different courses and educational products that you can purchase. So what's different about this product from all of his other products? This one is definitely the most mindset-based product that you can find from Jeff Lerner. It is completely all about your mindset and success and thinking positively and all about mindset. For some people, you might really need this, and this might be a really good place to start. For me, it just feels like a lot of fluff. So what's included in the Success Path Masterclass? There's a 6-step formula, which is just a ton of stuff about mindset. There's things like the secret to working less, unlimited power of connection, the 3 phases of legacy. Again, more fluff words in my opinion. Also included, you get a one-on-one success advisor session. In my experience in the past, this is usually a phone call where you talk to somebody that's on his marketing team, and they end up talking you into buying a higher ticket product from his Entre Institute. I'm not saying that that's a bad thing or that the products aren't good, but usually that's what this one-on-one success advisor session is. You get on a phone call, you talk to somebody that's basically like, do you want to make a lot of money? And you're like, yeah. And they're like, well, you should probably purchase this other better product from Jeff Lerner as well. So that is usually what that is about. Then there is also the Entre Awesome Life Challenge. I'm sorry, but this is just like more fluff. But you know, if you need that powerful mindset, encouragement, maybe it would be good for you. And then you get the Income Jumpstart Program. Again, what does that mean? However, the cost of it is only $7. So if you buy it for $7 and you don't like it and you feel like it's silly, you only lost out on $7. The risk here is that the $7 product is usually just the low-end product that gets you closer or more trusting in order to buy a higher ticket item. So just be prepared for that. So who is this good for? The lead generation business model is actually a really good business model if you are an outgoing person and you don't mind talking to a lot of business owners and getting rejected and negotiating monthly prices and things like that. Customer service and talking to a lot of people like that on a daily basis is not my jam. That's why I picked affiliate marketing. But for a lot of people, lead generation is a really good, successful business. However, I don't think that this $7 masterclass really gives you any actionable steps to take in order to actually build a lead generation business. So pros about this $7 masterclass. Jeff Lerner is honest about the fact that it is going to take some work in order to start any online business. I really appreciate that because a lot of online entrepreneurs are like, it's so easy, you can do it in a day and it's like not gonna take any work or any money. That's not real. So I do appreciate the fact that he says right on his sales pages that if you're not prepared to do a little bit of work, then you should just leave right now. So I appreciate that about this. That's a big pro for me. Another pro, it's only $7. So, you know, $7 isn't gonna break your piggy bank. And it is a lot about positive mindset. So that is a really good place to start. If you are a complete new beginner with starting your own business, maybe this $7 course would be good for you. Just be careful that you don't get wrapped up into all of the upsells, because I do think that there are better courses for actually starting your own business. And again, they will be linked in the description below. So what are the cons about this? It's super hyped up and full of fluff, how great it is, but nothing that actually tells you what is really going to be in it. Like nothing telling you about the content, just a whole bunch of fluff words. So that's a big con for me. That's a big red flag. And another big con for me, there's just literally zero actionable content in this masterclass. You really kind of have no idea what he is actually selling besides positivity. Testimonials and other reviews. I always like to give you some testimonials and other reviews from other people so that you don't just have my opinion on it. There are a ton of really good reviews about Jeff Lerner and a lot of his products. It's really hard to tell if they are legitimate or if they are just people from his marketing team creating them online, but there are a lot of super, super positive reviews. It actually makes me feel a little bit like they can't be real because there's like zero bad reviews. Which seems weird given human nature. Guarantees and refunds, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for your $7. So my final thoughts, if you just need a cheap blueprint for how to have a good positive mindset when it comes to starting your own business, then this would be a fine place to spend $7. However, you're not gonna learn any actionable steps that you can take to start making money right now. So if that's what you are looking for, you should expect to pay anywhere from $200 to $2,000 for a high quality course that is full of quality content, and they will show you through a webinar or a very outlined website exactly what you are going to get. And there won't be a ton of super hyped up fluff words. It'll just say, this is what's included and this is how much it costs, all right in one place. So my final verdict, I do not recommend this masterclass for most people. You can find a lot of positive mindset things for free online. However, if you do just wanna find some positive mindset all in one place for a cheap price of $7, this might be a good place for you to start. Just be careful that you don't get sucked in to the upsells and end up spending thousands of dollars on something that you don't really want, because I have done that before. So if you want some legit recommendations from somebody who has been where you are now, click the link in my description below for my top recommendations. Thank you for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to go out and get free.